the angle made at the circumference by these 2 points is half that one they made at the center of the circle. So when this one is x, this one is going to be 2x. So let's take it that the angle we have here is 80 degrees. Let's call it A, B, C, and O. So if OB is 80 degrees, then the angle ACB is going to be 40 degrees. That's understandable. Then let's look at this one. Okay, let's look at this second one. The angle made by the diameter at any point of the circumference is always 90. The angle made at the circumference here is always 90. So let's take it for instance that we have that this angle here is now 3x. If the angle made at this place is 3x degree, then we know that 3x is 90 degree, right? Then to find the value of x, that will be so simple. Just divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3, and you'll have your angle to be 30 degrees. Okay, let's quickly look at the third one. The angles made at the circumference of the circles are the same when they are made from a common chord, or the angle made at this segment of the circle at any part of the circumference coming from these 2 points which form a chord are always the same. So the angle made by this chord in this direction is equal to the angle made by this chord in this direction. So even if I put an imaginary angle here, it will still be the same. So let's take it that the angle formed at this region is let me call it 50 degrees, and somebody might write that the angle here is 5t. Then if you tell somebody to solve this particular thing, we can say that 5t is equal to 50 degrees. Why? Because the angles at the same circumference, at the same side of the circumference, is equal when they are from two points forming a particular chord, a common chord. So for us to find the value of t, that will be very simple. Divide both sides by 5. Then our t is equal to 10 degrees. So 5t minus 10 gives us 15, and that brings us back here. Then for the fourth diagram I have here, quadrilateral rule, we have that the sum of two opposite angles gives us 180. That's what this one is saying. So if I add the angle here and the angle here, it must give me 180 degrees. If I add the angle here plus the angle here, it must give me 180 degrees. So in essence, if I add all the 4 angles together, they have to give me 360 degrees. Okay, let me give a quick example. If I have an angle here, let's say 85, and then the angle here, let's say u in degree, then find the letter u. That will be very simple because I have that u plus 85 will give me 180 degrees. So for me to find u, the 85 coming this side will have to give me a negative sign. So 180 minus 85, my angle u have to be 95 degrees. 95 degrees the angle u here. Okay, for another one, let's take it for instance that I have an angle here which I would like to call 100 degrees. It's just an example. And then I have another angle here which I would like to call the angle here can be 2W. Then to find the value of W here won't be very hard. Let's do it. Remember, the sum of the two opposite angles of a quadrilateral will give me 180 degrees. This angle is an opposite angle to this one. This is opposite this angle. That's what we are talking about. So in essence, the angle 2W added to 100 degrees this side must give me 180 degrees. So this 100 degree coming, this 100 coming this side minus 180 will give me what? Give me that's 2W is equal to 180 minus 100. That will give me 80 degrees. 2W is 80 degrees. That means my angle W has to be 40 degrees. 2 divided by 80. So that's it for simple circle theorems. We'll have other circle theorem rules, but these are just the main ones, more like the basic ones. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.